Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a delicious and nutritious vegan mushroom japchae, a Korean glass noodle stir-fry that's perfect for any meal. This vegan version is packed with a variety of mushrooms and fresh vegetables, making it both healthy and incredibly tasty. First, you need to soak the dried shiitake mushrooms in water. While it's recommended to soak the mushrooms in cold water for about 30 minutes beforehand, I'll be using warm water and soaking them for about 10 minutes instead. Soaking dried shiitake mushrooms before using them enhances their flavor and texture. Soaking glass noodles before using them significantly enhances their chewy texture and imparts a softer mouthfeel compared to using them directly. While glass noodles are typically soaked in lukewarm water for about 40 minutes before use, I'll be soaking them in hot water for about 10 minutes instead. Glass noodles, made from sweet potato starch, are rich in dietary fiber. Cooking glass noodles with plenty of vegetables, especially onions, can further enhance their health benefits. Please cut the king oyster mushroom lengthwise into bite-sized pieces. Please thinly slice the onions and carrots. Please tear the oyster mushrooms by hand. You can enhance the flavor by adding various ingredients such as spinach, wood ear mushrooms, and bell peppers. Drain the water from the bowl of soaked glass noodles. Refrain from slicing the shiitake mushrooms immediately after removing them from the water. Instead, gently squeeze them with your hands to remove excess moisture. Please don't discard the mushroom water as it will be used to stir-fry the glass noodles. To enhance the flavor, I'll be seasoning the shiitake mushrooms separately. To prepare the complete seasoning, place a large pot or pan on the burner and set it to medium heat. Please add the mushroom water to the pan. Please don't add all of the mushroom water at once. Reserve about 50 ml for stir-frying the glass noodles later. You can use vegetable oil instead of avocado oil. Add black pepper by giving it just 3 light taps. Stir the sauce continuously until it comes to a simmer. Alright, once the sauce starts boiling, add the prepared glass noodles. Stir-fry the glass noodles until the sauce is evenly distributed and absorbed. At this point, adjust the heat to medium-low or low for easier stir-frying of the glass noodles. To prevent the pan from drying out, add the reserved mushroom broth that was set aside earlier. Once the glass noodles turn brown, add the vegetables. To prevent the glass noodles from sticking to the pan, Add them quickly or temporarily turn off the heat. Add a little water to make sure you get every last drop of the sauce. Stir fry the vegetables over medium or medium-low heat until they are cooked through. If the vegetables are not releasing enough moisture, add a small amount of water and stir fry. Don't overcook the vegetables, just lightly cook them. Overcooking the vegetables will make the glass noodles mushy. Once the vegetables are cooked, turn off the heat, add sesame seeds and sesame oil, and mix well. Finally, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds on top for a flavorful and healthy vegan mushroom japchae. This dish is perfect as a main course or a side dish. Why not try making japchae, a dish that even kids love? Thanks for watching and see you next time.